how to attach a socket set to your Black+Decker cordless drill. Now you could simply enter this into the chuck. So let's open the chuck up, slip in your socket set, tighten it up, and there you go. However, what I recommend is if you're using different sockets sizes, is to open up the chuck and get one of these bit holders. This is a DeWalt one. However, you can get cheap ones, and you can even get them with a socket set. An Amazon basic one is ideal to start off with, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. All you do is you put this into the chuck. When it gets tight, tighten it up. Then you can just slip your socket bit into the end like that. If you want to change the size of your socket, slip it out, get your new size, slip it in like that, and that's how easy it is to add a socket set to your Black+Decker cordless drill. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.